Hello and welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. I'm Miss Sam, your phonics teacher. In today's lesson, we will learn to read digraph words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Letter S and letter H, when they come together, they make a new sound. Sh. Sh is a digraph. Digraphs are two letters and a new sound. K, a, sh, cash. K, a, sh, cash. K, a, sh, cash. D, a, sh, dash. D, a, sh, dash. D, a, sh, dash. A, sh, mash. A, sh, mash. A, sh, mash. Sheep, sheep. Three sounds in the word sheep. There are two digraphs, sh and e. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Sh, e, p. Sheep. Sh, e, l. Shell. Sh, e, l. Shell. Sh, e, l. Shell. Sh, e, l, f. Shelf. Sh, e, l, f. Shelf. Sh, e, l, f. Shelf. We need to practice reading and writing these words again and again. Then only we will learn. This is a big word. Can we read? Let's try. Sh, a, p, oo. Shampoo. Sh, a, p, oo. Shampoo. Sh, a, p, oo. Shampoo. Was it difficult? No, because we know all the phonic sounds. If you don't know the phonic sounds, quickly download the up to 6 Phonics Plus app and learn. Oo is also a digraph. Can we read? Yes, we can. B, ook, book. Op, shop, bookshop. B, ook, book. Op, bookshop. Easy, right? Shall we try one more time? Yes. B, ook, book. Op, bookshop. We have to practice these words, reading and writing again and again, multiple times, okay? That's how children learn. Pick one. Can we read? Yes, we can. Ash, mush, room, mushroom. Easy, isn't it? Yes, because we know to blend and we know the phonic sounds. That is our superpower, isn't it? Ash, mushroom. Well done. Ash, mushroom. Knowing the A, B, C, D will not help children to read. We have to learn the phonic sounds. And for that, what can you do? You can download the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app. Now let us practice reading with the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app.
A, I, sh, A, I, sh. Vanish. Sh, I, t, sh, I, t, sh, I, t. Shift. Sh, as in shin. Sh, I, shin. Sh, I, sh, I, sh, I, shin. Sh, as in shelf. Sh, shelf. Sh, shelf. Sh, as in mash. Sh, mash. Ash, 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 mash. Sh, as in shrug. Sh, g, shrug. Sh, g, sh, g, sh, g, shrug. Sh, as in splash.
Spool.
Sh, splash.
Spool.
Sh,
Spool.
sh,
Spool.
sh, splash. Sh, as in flash.
Foo.
Sh, flash.
Foo.
Sh,
Foo.
sh,
Foo.
sh, flash.
Practice reading these words again and again. Practice writing them too. And download the Up to 6 Phonics Plus app for interactive phonics learning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Keep practicing. Bye.